Hi, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager at Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2011 Isuzu NPR, stock number 41753 if you'd like to take a look at it on our website. Before we jump into this walk around though, we're going to go over some things our customers are looking for when they purchase a pre-owned truck. Number one thing, they're looking for a truck that's dependable and reliable that they can put on the road immediately making money. They're looking for a truck that either has warranty or can have warranty put on it, and they're looking for a truck that's easily financeable. That's what we try to do here at Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. We bring these trucks in as trades, as this one, or we bring them in from our leasing department. We go through them, wholesale the trucks that we don't want to keep only the best trucks for our customers to buy. Once we've done that, we go through them and do a 150-point check. We check the cabs, the air conditioners, the bodies, lift gates, brakes, tires, any discrepancies we find. They run through our medium shop, through our body shop, and then once that's done, I personally test drive the trucks. We do a QC on them, clean them up, pictures and videos ready for sale. Besides the 150-point check on this truck, we've also made this truck pre-owned, Isuzu Gold Star warranty, pre-certified, so it is ready for the warranty. We've done the engine, oil filter, transmission fluid filter. We've burned the DPF filter, new air filter, and fuel filter. And this truck also has brand new rear brakes on it, so it's ready to go. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. This particular truck's a low cab Ford Isuzu, so it's very easy to get into. When you get up in it, you can look out the windshield, you can see far away and up close. And since it is a low cab Ford compared to a conventional pickup truck or something and pulling a trailer, this thing's a lot smaller footprint, so it's easier to get around in neighborhoods and parking lots, even your own parking lot. It's got the two-person bench seat. It's got the AM/FM CD radio in it. And as you can see, even though this is a 2011, it's cleaned up really nice. So this truck's ready to go as a dependable truck, but a clean truck for your guys to get out and go make money with. Let's take a look at the business end real quick. A lot of people are not aware of this, but Industrial Power has been an Isuzu dealer for over 30 years. So we know what it is to give service before, during, and after the sale of the trucks. This particular truck is a Smyrna Cargo. It's a 14-foot long aluminum van body. And as we go down the truck, you can see this truck's got really good rubber on it. It's ready to go out. And as we said, it's got brand new rear brakes on it. We got the new mud flaps. And this particular truck has got our 2-foot landscape ramps on the back. They only hang out 2 foot instead of the 4 foot. So that makes even a smaller footprint for when your guys are going around neighborhoods and businesses to get in and out of parking lots. This particular body's 14 foot at 79 tall, 96 wide. It's got the slat lining. Down the sides, it's got the dome light inside, the aluminum roof. It's got a pine floor. And as you can see on the back, the 2-foot dovetails on the back, this thing's really, they're brand new. They do a really nice job on these things, so to give you a lot of years of service. A lot of people, when they come into Industrial Power, they just think they're going to buy a white delivery truck. Here at Industrial Power, we got the smaller trucks, the bigger trucks. We got the vocational trucks like this with the vanscape body on it. You can put your equipment in there and lock it up and not have to worry about it being in the weather or somebody just walking up and taking it. We've also got the bigger trucks to meet your needs. In Industrial Power, we want you to think pre-owned used trucks. We want you to think Industrial Power for your needs. This truck, it's in really good shape. We can take this truck and wrap it with your name, your graphics, your designs, the body and the cab, and drive that business back to you, turning that fuel money into advertising money. As we wrap up the walk around on this truck, I think we've done a really good job. You can see our other trucks. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're putting new trucks on here every day. And again, we appreciate your time.